This month's Mani by Me box takes you down into the dark and mysterious ocean depths. Inside of your Mani by Me box, you're gonna get something to jumpstart your inspiration. So, should we get into the goodies? Because I know you wanna see it. Every month, we release 2 brand new polishes. Ocean Floor, which is B483. It's a duochrome dark teal stamping polish. Yes, strong deep ocean vibes. And the second color is B482 Kraken. Kraken is a dark navy blue cream stamping polish. It looks like black almost, but it's not. But look at how pretty this deep blue is. And you also get a really cute sticker. This one says "Feed your soul with passion." And also our subscribers will receive 2 brand new plates, and they have a special theme. So we have seen mermaid plates, we have seen shell plates, we've seen beach plates, we've seen fishes and all of these things. But what we have not seen is a deep sea theme, right? Am I right or am I right? I promise. And these have so many fun, cute elements. One thing that I always liked about the idea of deep sea is bioluminescent creatures. I always thought that was so cool. And your surprise gift this month, you will be making a splash with your new High Shine nail buffer featuring an ergonomic design and gentle smoothing surface. This easy to use tool will help you achieve a long lasting glossy finish on your natural nails. And that is going to be awesome.